how to check if your battery is boosted in your iPhone. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to check if your battery is boosted in your iPhone. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to open up the settings in your iPhone. And then what you want to do now is just scroll down until you see camera. This one right here, click on camera, and then after that make sure that use volume up for burst is switched on. So make sure that this is switched on. Then after that, what you want to do is just exit out and then open up your camera. And then after that, what you want to do now is just long hold the volume keys for 2 minutes, and then after that what you want to do is to check if your battery has decreased by a significant amount. So if your battery has been increased or decreased by a significant amount, that means your battery is boosted. So what you want to do is just hold the volume key and then just hold that for at least 2 minutes, and then once you're done you can exit out. And then if you see a significant decrease in your battery percentage, that means that your battery is boosted. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to check if your battery is boosted in your iPhone.